Hi everybody, today I'm going to review one of my favorite desktop tripods, and this is the BONFOTO B72M desktop tripod. Now the reason I like it is because one, it's really well made, and they thought about a lot of things here that frankly I'm actually quite surprised. So let me show you a few things. So they put a little rubber gasket right here, so when you close these legs they will hit the rubber, so there's no metal on metal, less noise, etc. They put another one right here, so when you lower it, you know, have something to dampen the end of it so it doesn't hit the metal or plastic here. Really nicely made. The bottom feet have rubber footings. This part, you can take it apart actually, and if you wanted to mount this on another tripod to make it longer, you could actually do that because this is a 1/4 inch type screw. Another thing that I really liked about it is the rotating head, 360 plus 90 degrees and all the way through it. Plus this head rotates around, so if you have something connected to it, you can rotate it, put it in 90 degrees, easily movable. And then a very good solid knob here. Also, it's very adjustable. So this is the minimum height because you have to have the clearance from the floor from this. So I'm going to tell you how high this thing is. This is at 24 centimeters. That's the minimum height. And the top height is about 36 centimeters. Now, really, I just love how this thing operates, and what I use it for, I usually use it obviously for taking videos and photos, but also this is great around the house. If you're video chatting with someone, you could just, you know, plop in the included, this is the included phone holder, but frankly this is a cheap, horrible phone holder, and I usually go with this one because it just easily adjusts, snaps to it, and is very secure, and it's one of my favorite devices. But this one works also. You plop it in, you lower the lever, and you put your phone in. But this will also accommodate heavier items like digital SLRs, heavy equipment, because it's very stable. Now I wanted to show you how heavy this thing is, so let me put it on the, so you see when you close it, it has a nice snugly fit around the rubber ring, so you could nicely hold it if you wanted to. All right, so this is really not too heavy for what it is at 314 grams. Now it comes with a bag. It comes with the cheap phone holder. I wouldn't buy it for the phone holder, that's for sure. It comes with this manual, and it came with a Allen wrench, which I have no idea what it's for because the instructions don't mention it anywhere. And yeah, I looked around, there's nothing really. But just to show you the details, really everything is nicely built. But like I said, I couldn't find where I could use that Allen. And the operation of the lower lever is you open it like this and you adjust the height. And this one, you lock it this way and you unlock it this way, and you can adjust this lever. Also, if you wanted to, you could remove this top ball. So let me show you. And it actually comes with, I believe this is a 1/2 inch, but it's the bigger one. It has a converter knob here for the 1/4 inch. And if it gets stuck here, you can remove it with a flat head. I think it's a really nice device that pretty much anybody with a cell phone or a camera should have. Especially if you're doing video conferencing. You want to put your phone on the table and away and just be able to talk to somebody. And you can prop it with any angle you want. I use it a lot. All right, so this was my quick review for the BONFOTO mini tripod, desktop tripod, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please thumb up. If you hated it, please hit that dislike button as fast as you can, but don't forget to tell me why, okay? That's the deal. If you hit that dislike button, at least tell me why. All right, catch you in the next video. Till next time, bye.